Welcome to our new channel Side Hustle Secrets. To celebrate our launch, we have a special giveaway just for you towards the end of this video. That's right, stick with us and you could win some amazing prizes. Now enjoy the video. We'll fill you in on the contest details in a few minutes. Hey there, future pet sitting superstars. Jimmy Barkalot here, ready to help you unleash your inner entrepreneur and launch a side hustle that's the cat's meow. But first, a joke to get us started. Why did the dog sit on the computer? To keep his paws warm. Get it? Paws warm? Alright, I know, I'll stick to my day job. But hey, at least we're having fun, right? Now let's talk business. The furry, cuddly kind. Pet sitting isn't just about playing with adorable furballs all day, though that's a major perk. It's a booming business that's growing rapidly as more and more people realize the importance of quality care for their pets. People love their pets and want the best for them, even when they can't be there. Whether they're going on vacation, working long hours, or dealing with unexpected emergencies, pet owners need someone reliable to step in and provide the love and care their pets deserve. That's where you come in, like a superhero in a cape, maybe one that's covered in dog hair. As a pet sitter, you become an essential part of the pet's life, offering companionship, exercise, and a sense of security. Think of it, you get paid to hang out with furry friends, snuggle, play fetch, and maybe even sneak in a belly rub or two. It's a job that combines passion with practicality, allowing you to do what you love while earning a steady income. Plus, you're your own boss. You have the freedom to set your own hours, choose your clients, and create a schedule that fits your lifestyle. Whether you want to work part-time or make it a full-time career, the choice is yours. Set your hours, choose your clients, and watch the money roll in faster than a puppy chasing its tail. The demand for pet sitters is high, and with the right approach, you can build a loyal client base that keeps your calendar full and your wallet happy. Ready to turn your love for animals into a profitable adventure? Let's do it. Embrace the joy of pet sitting and discover a rewarding career that brings happiness to both you and the pets you care for. The world of pet sitting is waiting for you, so grab your leash and get started today. First things first, we gotta lay the groundwork. Don't worry, it's easier than teaching an old dog new tricks. 1. Name game. Find a catchy name that screams pet love, something like Jimmy's Pampered Paws. Just kidding, unless you like it. 2. Legal beagle. Get your business license and insurance sorted. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. 3. Online presence. Build a website or social media pages. Think of it as your virtual storefront, where you can show off your pet sitting superpowers. See? Easy peasy. Now let's get those clients lining up. It's time to let the world know you're the best darn pet sitter this side of the dog park. 1. Social media savvy. Post adorable pet pics, with the owner's permission of course. Share pet care tips and run contests. 2. Network. Like a pro, connect with local vets, groomers, and pet stores. They can be your biggest cheerleaders and referral sources. 3. Word of mouth. Tell everyone you know. You never know who might need a trusty pet sitter. Remember, marketing is like a game of fetch. You gotta keep throwing it out there to see results. Section 5. The daily grind and snuggle. Running your pet sitting empire. You've got clients? Congrats. This is a huge milestone and a testament to your dedication and love for animals. But now, the real work begins. Now let's talk about the day-to-day of being a pet sitting extraordinaire. It's not just about playing with cute pets all day, although that's a big perk. It's about managing your time, keeping pets safe, and ensuring pet parents are happy. First, schedule like a boss. Your planner or digital calendar should be your best friend. Keep track of appointments, medications, and feeding schedules meticulously. This ensures that no pet is left hungry or misses their medication. A digital calendar or app can be your new best friend. There are many apps designed specifically for pet sitters that can help you manage your schedule, track pet care instructions, and even send updates to pet parents. Second, communication is key. Send regular updates and photos to pet parents. This not only reassures them that their beloved pets are in good hands, but also builds trust and strengthens your relationship with them. It'll give them peace of mind and make them feel like they're part of the fun. Consider sending a mix of photos and videos, and even a quick message about how their pet is doing. And third, safety first. Always prioritize the safety of the pets in your care. This means being aware of any potential hazards in the environment, knowing how to handle emergencies, and ensuring that pets are always secure. It's like the golden rule of pet sitting. Make sure you have a pet first aid kit on hand and know how to use it. Familiarize yourself with basic pet first aid procedures and always have emergency contact numbers readily available. Remember, organization and communication are key to running a smooth operation. You got this. With the right tools and mindset, you can ensure that every pet in your care is happy, healthy, and safe. Keep learning, stay passionate, and your pet sitting empire will thrive. Section 6. From poop scooping to playtime, your responsibilities as a pet sitter. Let's be real. Pet sitting isn't all sunshine and belly rubs. There are some less glamorous tasks involved, but hey, someone's got to do it. First, feeding time. Make sure those furry tummies are happy and full with the right food and portions. Next, potty break patrol. Regular walks and potty breaks are a must. No one likes accidents, especially not on the new rug. And finally, playtime. Keep those tails wagging with games, walks, and plenty of attention. Remember, you're not just a pet sitter, you're a friend, a confidant, and maybe even a professional treat giver. Know you've been a good friend. Section 7. Avoiding hairy situations. Tips for smooth sailing. Even the best pet sitters face challenges. Whether it's a hyperactive dog, a shy cat, or an unexpected mess, these situations can be stressful. But don't worry, with the right approach, you can handle anything that comes your way. Here are some tips to keep those furry fiascos at bay. First, meet and greet. This initial meeting is crucial for establishing a good relationship with both the pet and the owner. Always have a meet and greet with potential clients and their pets beforehand. This allows you to understand the pet's temperament, preferences, and any special needs they might have. It's also a great opportunity to discuss the pet's routine and any specific instructions from the owner. It's like a first date to make sure everyone vibes well together. Building a rapport with the pet can make a huge difference in how smoothly things go. Second, emergency plan. Have a plan in case of emergencies. Emergencies can happen at any time, and being prepared is key. Make sure you have all the necessary contact information, including the pet's vet and any emergency contacts. Knowing what to do if a pet gets sick or injured is crucial. Familiarize yourself with basic pet first aid and keep a first aid kit handy. Discuss the emergency plan with the pet owner so everyone is on the same page. And third, set boundaries. Be clear about your services and availability. This helps manage expectations and ensures that both you and the pet owner are comfortable with the arrangement. Don't be afraid to say no if you're not comfortable with something. It's important to know your limits and communicate them effectively. This can prevent misunderstandings and ensure a positive experience for everyone involved. Remember, preparation and clear communication are your secret weapons against any pet sitting hiccups. By following these tips, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for both you and the pets you care for. Happy pet sitting. Section 8. Woof your way to success. Pricing and payments. Now let's talk money, honey. It's time to set your rates and make sure you're compensated fairly for your awesome pet sitting skills. 1. Do your research. See what other pet sitters in your area are charging. Don't undervalue your services. 2. Factor in everything. Consider your time, travel expenses, and the level of care required. 3. Get paid up front. Request payment or a deposit before the pet sitting gig begins. It protects both you and the client. Remember, you're running a business, so make sure you're charging what you're worth. Section 9. More than just a pretty face. Building trust and long-term relationships. Building trust with both pets and their owners is the key to a successful pet sitting business. 1. Be reliable. Show up on time, follow instructions carefully, and be consistent in your care. 2. Go the extra mile. Leave a note for the owners, send extra photos, or offer additional services like bringing in the mail. 3. Treat every pet like family. Show genuine love and care for every furry friend in your care. Remember, building strong relationships will lead to happy clients, repeat business, and maybe even some furry best friends along the way. Section 10. The cat's out of the bag. Legal and safety considerations. Before you officially launch your pet sitting empire, let's cover some important legal and safety stuff. 1. Insurance is a must. Get pet sitting insurance to protect yourself from any unexpected incidents. 2. First aid knowledge. Learn basic pet first aid and CPR. You never know when those skills might come in handy. 3. Follow the rules. Be aware of local leash laws and any specific rules of the places you'll be taking the pets. Remember, safety first. It's always better to be prepared for any situation. Section 11. Ready, set, pet sit. Congratulations, future pet sitting superstars. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to launch a successful and rewarding side hustle. Remember, pet sitting is more than just a job. It's an opportunity to turn your love for animals into a fulfilling career. So go out there, spread the pet love, and watch your business flourish. And hey, if you ever need a laugh, you know where to find me. Hey everyone, we've got an exciting opportunity for you. We're offering a chance for you to win a $100 Amazon gift card or that equivalent in cryptocurrency. Once our new channel, Side Hustle Secrets, reaches 1,000 subscribers, we could be funding your next golden goose. So here's how you can be a part of this amazing giveaway. First, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Then, like this video. And lastly, leave a comment with the hashtag #SideHustleSecrets1000. It's that simple, folks. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll pick one lucky winner from the comments. So smash the like and subscribe buttons, leave a comment, share with your friends, and stay tuned for more interesting side hustles. Don't miss our ongoing contests with progressively larger prize giveaways, because the bigger we get, the bigger the prizes get.